Hi, seventh grade. Happy Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about adjectives and adverbs very quickly. Mostly we're going to focus on adjectives, and then you're going to practice in no red ink. You're also going to do your quick write in no red ink. Excited about today? Let's get started. Adjectives, what are they? They're words that describe nouns. Adverbs, what are they? They're words that describe verbs or adjectives or other adverbs. Okay, so let's get into an example. Read this paragraph with me. Ready? At the same time. Let's go. The citizens of Earth, clustered around as Professor Hugo's crew quickly collected the waiting dollars, and soon the good professor himself made an appearance, wearing his many-colored rainbow cape and top hat. Wow, what words in there are adjectives? What words are adverbs? See if you can find some of the adjectives and adverbs now. I'll wait. My dog's barking. Okay. My dog is barking loudly. Loudly would be an example of an adverb. The citizens of Earth clustered around as Professor Hugo's crew quickly. Now, this is an example of an adverb. It describes how they collected the money. They quickly collected the money. The waiting dollars. I guess they had been waiting for these dollars. So that is an example of an adjective. It describes the dollars. And soon the good professor, that's an adjective. It describes the noun, the professor, himself made an appearance wearing his many-colored rainbow cape. Many-colored rainbow. That is another example of an adjective. So, couple questions. What adverb modifies the verb collected? Well, if you look at the verb collected here, I'll underline it. What adverb modifies it? Well, the adverb quickly. How did they collect it? Quickly. So when it says modify, that just means how does it change it? How does it add more meaning? So quickly is the adverb that modifies collected. What adjectives are used to describe the cape? Here's the cape. I'll underline that. The cape is many-colored in rainbow. So you'll notice that the adjectives here come before the nouns. That's the case most of the time. So take a look. Adjectives kind of answer these questions. What kind? Which one? How many? How much? What kind? The stone house, the white paper, colorful shirts. Which one? This judge, each answer, those students. As you can see, the adjectives are in yellow. How many? 2 tulips, both brothers, several roses, 1 car. Those are all adjectives in yellow. How much? No time. Enough apples, many hobbies. All of the adjectives are in yellow. You notice that the adjectives come before the noun. That's usually the case. But sometimes it comes after the nouns they modify. Here are some examples. World religions, complex and serious, are sometimes very confusing. Complex and serious are examples of adjectives. They are describing something. They're describing world religions. The adjectives come after the noun. The tunnel, long and dark, frightened us. So you'll notice that these adjectives are in the form of a positive. They're separated from the rest of the sentence with commas. When describing a pronoun, sometimes adjectives become before or after the pronoun. So here are some examples. Here's my pronoun, he. He was quiet and contemplative as he worked. Quiet and contemplative. Those are my adjectives. They is my pronoun. They are sad and mournful. So these adjectives come after the pronoun. However, well, we'll get there in a second. Here's one more example. He is handsome. Handsome describes he. Sometimes adjectives can come before the pronoun. She is the pronoun here. She talked to him. Serious and contemplative, she talked to him. Serious and contemplative, she talked to him. So let's just, so that you know, serious and contemplative are modifying she. They're describing she. Anxious and excited, she sat in the movie theater. What was she like? She was both anxious and excited. Quick and agile, they easily outran each other. Quick and agile are describing they. So, some key points to remember here. Scroll back up. Adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. Most of the time, they come right before the noun, like stone house, or 2 tulips, or many hobbies. But sometimes they come right after the nouns or pronouns that they modify. You just have to read carefully and make sure that you know what the sentence is talking about. So you're going to work in No Red Ink now on adjectives, and you'll also do your quick write. I'll be checking out on your work, giving you feedback. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.